Pages stacked like tombstones on my desk, spines unbroken, wisdom left to rest. Fingers swipe through headlines sharp and thin, while truth dissolves beneath the noise within. I quote the lines I've never read, confuse the map for where I've bled. Tell me what it means to live, when every answer's just a click away. Tell me why we still believe in borrowed thoughts we They sell the cure in paperback disguise, while we perform our curated goodbyes. Eyes wide open, hearts half asleep, trading depth for promises too cheap. We wear the quotes like armor bright, but flinch when silence tests our light. Tell me what it means to live, when every answer's just a click away. Tell me why we still believe in borrowed thoughts we never earned to say. Is this all there is? To scroll and share and never see the world behind the screen. Tell me what it means to live, when silence screams what lights conceal. Tell me why we still pretend that knowing titles makes the spirit real. I close the book and finally begin to read.